Okie hockey fans, and welcome inside the Visit Lethbridge.com arena as the Lethbridge Hurricanes return to action as they play host to the Swift Current Broncos. Two-on-two across center into the Broncos zone, put it to the front, it deflected on goal, and Dick made a save. Loose puck in front. He'll go through the gut for Rondo. Stick handles in. Parker Rondo leaves a shot, scores! Sawyer Dingman wired it over the blocker of Brady Smith. And Sawyer Dingman has his first Western Hockey League goal, and it's 1-0. Left circle, spun it to the top. Doyle waits, back Gazowski, left circle to the front. Pakala shot in front, jam play, they score! Cash Andreessen bangs it home, a power play goal, it's tied at 1. Nice start for Hayden Pakala. Offensively continues as Bernie Dents is back in. Put to the front, a shot, scores! What a rip by Luke Misselbacher. And just like that, the Broncos back in front 2-1. Here's Caswell in, cuts to the middle. Caswell waiting in front, chance, scores! Misselbacher again, and it's 3-1 Swift Current. Down the right side for Sharp to the bumper. Edwards fires, hit a crowd, body in front, chance, scores! First of the season for Cooper Gazowski. 1:10 into the third period. Puck to the line for Chadwick. Across to the far side, Wormel down for Edwards to the front, jam play, scores! This game is tied at 3. Chadwick fires a shot, save made, rebound, Marcus, shot, scores! Miguel Marcus beats Dick, high blocker, and the Hurricanes have their first lead, 4-3. Shot a wrist shot, and that rolls wide of the net, comes in behind the goal. Johnson centers, Andreessen scores! Cash Andreessen, it's a shorty. Here's Marcus, he'll funnel it back. Edwards, nice move to the net, scores. That's just not fair. Braden Edwards, what a return to the lineup. A 4-point third period at 6-3 Lethbridge. The Hurricanes, 5 goals in the third. They outshoot Swift Current 29-8. In the final 40 minutes, the Hurricanes are 3-0 to start a campaign. 6-3 the final. The Hurricanes knock off the Swift Current Broncos.